We are currently on the river, the Moab Daily. It is May 20th, and Ella is fast asleep on the bottom of the boat. Snoring. If you can hear her. And our other half
also fast asleep.
is also fast asleep. Hi, Riley. Hi, Mama.
Hi.
We got in at 3 in the morning by the time we got to camp. And we woke up planning on having a nice leisurely day, going for a hike, and then we saw the river and we thought, it is time to get on the river. And they are both completely passed out. And Mom and Dad are on borderline exhaustion.
Yep, still drinking beer.
But we're having a beer, which will make this afternoon even harder. That's it for now.